Welcome back. California Club has some excellent things that are coming up, and Susan Wheeler here is here to tell us all about all the fun things you have. But first and foremost, welcome.
Thank you, Lisa. I'm so happy to be here today.
Nice to have you on, and I understand this is your first year as president.
Well, yes, that's the way we work, first and only year. That's the way our club operates. It's actually a 2-year kind of job. The first year you are the junior person. You're trained by the senior president. Second year, you just step up to the plate, give it all you have, and train someone else for the next year.
Good.
So it's a system that works very, very well.
Excellent, excellent. Well, what do you have to look forward to this year?
Well, this year, what we have coming up, well, let me tell you a little bit first about why we are different from some of the other clubs.
Perfect.
We're a social club, of course, but we are more like a nightclub.
Oh.
Think of the Copacabana, El Morocco, things like that. We're over 50 years old, and we are patterned after the nightclub where you come in, you get all dressed up. Well, people don't do that in Laguna Woods, but this is the night. Once a month, you get all dressed up, cocktail dress. We have a couple of formal events every year.
Okay.
You arrive at Clubhouse 5, typically 350 people. A lovely cocktail hour with a dance band playing. After that, we have a lovely dinner, always very upscale, lobster tail, prime rib, whatever. And wine is served with dinner, a complimentary wine. After dinner comes the featured entertainment of the evening.
All right.
And after the featured entertainment, there is more dancing for another hour. The featured entertainment, it varies always from month to month. And I think it's because we have such a wide age range with our membership, people in their 50s up through their 90s.
Wow.
So we've had our share of tribute groups for entertainment, you know, ABBA and the Eagles, Frank Sinatra, Elvis. We also have groups from Vegas that sing Broadway songs.
Wow.
That people love. We have, last month, we had a Celtic rock band.
No kidding.
And these 5 guys, they all play traditional Irish instruments. And some Irish songs, but with a rock twist to it. It was great,
That sounds
great
awesome.
fun. One month we had a female impersonator.
Okay.
So yeah, it's a great variety of entertainment, always with fabulous separate jazz bands. I mean, separate dance bands.
Okay.
But coming up this month, we have a very special entertainer. He is from Russia. He's a Russian American. He was trained in St. Petersburg. He is a vocalist and also a trumpeter.
Wow.
And he plays some of the smooth old favorites like Tangerine and, you know, those favorites from the 40s, Gershwin and Irving Berlin songs.
Wow.
So he will be our entertainment this month. And it's a formal event this month. People get dressed up. And for the formal events, there are men that wear tuxedos.
Wow.
You don't have to, but at least
they do.
They do.
That's
but at
great.
least wear a jacket and a tie.
Okay.
And the ladies, of course, the ladies go all out.
That is awesome.
But they don't have to. I mean, wear a nice cocktail dress, or if you choose to, you can wear a long formal gown, and you will be right at home there.
It sounds nice, you know, and I like the fact that you give people an opportunity to do that, because I feel we just don't have enough opportunities unless you're going to a gala or fundraiser where you can wear a cocktail dress. So that's nice.
Absolutely right, and that's why people do call it the best night of the month. And we meet only 9 months out of the year.
Okay.
No December, no July and August.
Okay.
But during those 9 months, we have, they're mostly cocktail dress, cocktail attire. 2 or 3 are typically formal. The last one in June is the end of our season, and that's casual.
Okay.
So
we've got a lot of variety, and let's actually go back to what you're having, the Jazz with Pizzazz. How do you pronounce his name? Is it Ila Serov?
It's Elias.
Elias
Serov.
Serov,
right.
Okay. How did you guys find him?
Well, we have, you know, our board, we have 10 positions on our board.
Okay.
One person is in charge of entertainment, you know, one publicity, one in all these things. So it's our wonderful entertainment people that we count on. And for them too, this is a 2-year position we each hold. 1 year as a senior,
Oh, I see.
1 year as a junior.
Got it.
So it's that's why we get such a variety of entertainment, because we have different entertainment directors every year, and they find them. Some of them are from Vegas, some in Palm Springs, some from LA, some from local places here like the Coach House,
Right.
and the Festival of the Arts in the summer.
Right. I just went to the Coach House last weekend. It's the first time I'd been there. It's really
so fun.
It's great. And the cover band was amazing. It was Queen Nation.
Who did you see?
Queen Nation.
Oh,
they were
fabulous.
great. They were really good. I was very
my
impressed. And so I know the Neil Diamond one that you have coming up in April, and I'm sure you'll be back again to talk about it. So we'll just touch on it quickly. It's a #1 tribute to Neil Diamond.
It is, absolutely. Now, California Club, typically we do our once-a-month things, but there are a lot of clubs that do a special performance at Clubhouse 3, where you can invite 800 people to sit and enjoy an evening of just a fabulous performance.
Yeah.
Now, our entertainment chairperson who found Neil Diamond found the best Neil Diamond. Now, you know there are many, many Neil Diamonds around there, all different qualities. We have #1, and we do presentations, videos of him performing with Neil Diamond, and they are fabulous together.
And they look, the pictures right here look just like him.
They look
It's
alike,
amazing.
they sound alike, yes.
It's amazing. Well, that'll be a fun one, too.
It will be great, and we've sold over half our tickets already, so if
you
people
did?
are
For April already?
For April.
Oh, man.
So if you're interested, be sure to
you got to get
your
on
ticket
that one.
right away.
All right, well, good. So February 25th is the next one. That's at Clubhouse 5.
Right.
The bar, it says doors and no-host bar open at 5:15.
5:15.
Okay.
Band starts for dancing at 5:30.
Okay. And this is a smaller venue.
Well, this is our 350 people
still,
will be there.
But not in the larger
But not in
location.
the larger,
Okay.
no. And
Okay.
it's open to, it's $28 if you're a member, $33 if you're not a member.
Okay.
You're welcome to come as a non-member if you'd like to see what we're all about.
Okay.
And it's open to everyone in Laguna Woods. You don't have to be a longtime California Club resident or anything like that. Everyone in Laguna Woods is welcome.
Well, excellent. Well, have a wonderful time. It sounds great.
All right, you should come join us one of these evenings.
I will. Thank you
All right.
for the information.
Thanks, Lisa.
All right. And if you'd like information about this particular club and all the things they have coming up, is California Club of Laguna Woods Village.com. But for that event, if you would like to make a reservation, you can go to calclubreservations@gmail.com. We'll be right back.